In English, some letters can have different sounds. Let's learn the other common sounds of the letter E.
uh, 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 e, e, e,
Blending sounds.
uh, uh, uh,
Label, novel, level, camel, vowel, model, travel, chapel, cancel, batten, lemon, button, cotton, dragon, canyon, ribbon, common, lesson, atom, venom, random, custom, bottom, wisdom, seldom, fathom, kingdom,
e, e, e,
event, elect, exact, effect, eject, evict, begin, relax, resist, depend, develop, recess. Practice.
uh, uh, uh,
Model, model, model. Label, label, label. The model has a label on her dress. The model has a label on her dress. Cancel, cancel, cancel. Chapel, chapel, chapel. We will cancel the trip to the chapel. We will cancel the trip to the chapel.
e, e, e,
Begin, begin, begin. Event, event, event. We will begin the event at 10 a.m. We will begin the event at 10 a.m. Relax, relax, relax. Recess, recess, recess. He has to relax at recess. He has to relax at recess. Good job. Bye.